The Xiaomi 17T Pro is here, bringing a combination of flagship-level performance, premium design, and a massive battery that aims to keep up with even the most demanding users. With a large 6.83-inch AMOLED display, the new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 processor, a Leica-powered camera system, and a huge 7,000 mAh battery, this phone packs plenty of impressive features into a sleek package. Let's take a closer look at what the Xiaomi 17T Pro has to offer. Starting with the design, the Xiaomi 17T Pro looks modern and premium. It features a glass front protected by Gorilla Glass 7 and an aluminum frame that gives the phone a solid feel in the hand. Despite housing a large battery, the phone maintains a relatively slim profile at 8.3 millimeters thick. The device is also IP68 rated, meaning it is resistant to dust and water, providing extra peace of mind for everyday use. Xiaomi offers the phone in several color options, including deep blue, deep violet, and black, giving users a choice between a bold or more classic look. On the front, you'll find a stunning 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1280 by 2772 pixels. The screen supports a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling, animations, and gaming feel incredibly fluid. Xiaomi also includes Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support, delivering richer colors and improved contrast when watching compatible content. With a peak brightness of up to 3,500 nits, visibility remains excellent even under bright outdoor lighting. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing social media, or playing games, this display is built to impress. Powering the Xiaomi 17T Pro is the new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset built on a 3nm process. Combined with 12 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB up to 1 TB, this phone is designed to handle demanding workloads with ease. Whether you're multitasking between apps, editing videos, streaming content, or playing graphics-intensive games, the Xiaomi 17T Pro has the power to keep everything running smoothly. The Mali G1 Ultra MC12 GPU also helps deliver strong gaming performance and responsive graphics. Running Android 16 with HyperOS 3.0, the software experience feels modern, fast, and optimized for everyday use. Photography is one of the highlights of the Xiaomi 17T Pro. The phone features a triple camera setup developed with Leica. The main camera uses a 50-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization for sharper and stable shots. There's also a 50-megapixel Periscope telephoto camera capable of up to 5 times optical zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects with impressive detail. Completing the setup is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera for landscapes, architecture, and group photos. For video recording, the Xiaomi 17T Pro supports up to 8K recording at 30 frames per second, along with multiple 4K recording options. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera handles self-portraits and video calls with excellent clarity. The multimedia experience is supported by stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, delivering a more immersive sound experience when watching videos, listening to music, or playing games. For connectivity, the Xiaomi 17T Pro supports 5G networks, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, infrared, and USB Type-C. These features help ensure fast wireless connections and compatibility with modern accessories and smart devices. One of the biggest highlights of the Xiaomi 17T Pro is its massive 7,000 mAh battery. This large capacity is designed to provide excellent endurance for heavy users who spend long hours gaming, streaming, working, or browsing throughout the day. When it's time to recharge, Xiaomi includes 100-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging support. The phone also supports reverse wired charging, allowing it to share power with other compatible devices when needed. Overall, the Xiaomi 17T Pro delivers a well-rounded flagship experience. It combines a premium design, a bright and smooth AMOLED display, powerful performance from the Dimensity 9500 chipset, versatile Leica cameras, and an enormous 7,000 mAh battery. For users looking for a phone that can handle productivity, entertainment, photography, and long-lasting daily use, the Xiaomi 17T Pro brings together many of the features people expect from a modern flagship device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.